Why does your scanner show the P0404 engine code? What does it mean? P0404 is a diagnostic trouble code for exhaust gas recirculation, EGR circuit range or performance. This engine code indicates that it means the engine's control module has detected that the EGR valve is either not functioning correctly or is not in the expected position. Under this circumstance, short-distance driving is permitted, but your vehicle should be repaired as soon as possible. So, what causes this imbalance? Here are the most common culprits. This error can be caused by these possible faults in your vehicle. Faulty EGR valve, carbon buildup, electrical issues, faulty EGR position sensor. Each DTC code corresponds to a specific issue in your vehicle. This error code occurs in any OBD2-equipped vehicles, especially those in manufacture since 1996. It is commonly found in Ford, Chevrolet, Toyota, and Honda. If you want to fix this error code, let us know in the comments section. We will definitely make the video on your demand. If you like this video, don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.